Thank you for your purchase of your new Forester brush cutter blade. Today we'll show you how to disassemble and put a new blade on. James will show you. First of all, you have to make sure to see if your brush cutter gearbox has an automatic stop like this one does, or you're going to have to use a screwdriver and shove it in to the two little holes until they line up, and that's called a blade lock. So we're going to take a wrench. It's usually provided when you buy your unit. So look at this. You're actually going opposite of righty-tighty, lefty-loose on this assembly, but some may vary. Take the nut off, take the shield off, take the big washer off, take your blade off. This blade is a 1-inch blade with a 20mm adapter. So now, keep in mind, James, why don't you flip that blade over so they know that that blade will be up, and that will show the rotation of the blade. Put that back on. You're going to use your bushing, your 20mm bushing, make that nice and tight. Now we'll put that bigger blade lock on. We'll put the shield on, and now we will screw this back on. You're all set to go. Always wear gloves when you are putting blades on and taking them off. They're very sharp, and you'll have to be able to be in contact with the blades. Now the blade lock, you're going to have to loosen that or take your screwdriver out. Make sure that your blade is working properly and you are all set to go. Make sure it's on tight. Have a great day. Thank you.